Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA at CDL NEPA here on YouTube, and today I've got another product to share with you from LASFIT. I've done all the light bulbs from LASFIT in my 2022 Ford Maverick, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. This is the LASFIT Bedliner. Now don't mind the fact that it's bubbled up here in a little bit. We haven't had any sunshine here. They say to let it sit out in the sun for a couple days, so this will lay down. Unfortunately, it's only been 30s and 40s, and we've had no sun for a couple days, but this will lay in there. It has a nice fit to it. This is made with like an anti-scratch surface. It will keep things from sliding in and out of your truck bed. It also protects it from scratches and dents. I have a bed liner, but this is also a nice addition. It will also help sound deaden a little bit from things bouncing around the bed, you know, noise from underneath the truck. I'll show you. I have the bed tie-down rings for the XLT, but this actually comes in solid. If you don't have the tie-downs, then this will be a solid piece. Same with that side there. Currently, LASFIT is selling these for $119, normally $129. This is really nice though. This is not a thin piece of rubber or anything like that. This is a nice solid bed mat that fits right in there. It won't blow out. I've already taken this thing on the highway with my cover up, and it hasn't blown out of the truck bed. I like it. If you don't have the regular factory liner or the Line-X liner like I have, this would be a nice addition. Plus, you know, if it's dirty and you got a lot of stuff in there, you can pull it out and hose it off real easy. It handles all the weather, 4 seasons. It's a nice product. Go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. You can probably get this for a discount with my discount code. I'll also include that in the description. Thanks for watching. I got more LASFIT videos coming really soon, and more 2022 and up Ford Maverick videos coming soon. Thanks. Bye for now.